I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set location-based reminders on your iPhone. So you can obviously do this through Siri by using Hey Siri. Another way to do that is open our Reminders app. Once you click New Reminder, you'll want to click the little orange eye icon on the right. Now you have a longer list of things that you can basically filter your reminder by. So I'll just leave it as New Reminder, and I'm going to go down to Location, and then here we can type in a location. If we scroll to the right, you can set it to work or home. In this particular instance, I'm just going to click home. And if you tap it once or twice, it'll say if you're arriving or leaving home. So let's say I want to make sure to go to Target when I leave for work. Well, then I'm going to make sure that says leaving Brett's home. And once I'm ready, I'll just click done. Now we have a reminder set to do a location-based alert. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.